the Security Law Amendment Act was intended to amend laws relating to security in Kenya because the insecurity that is rife in the country, both from external and internal sources. The intent of the law is therefore for the ultimate good of all Kenyans, but good intent must always have the rule of law and good governance as its prime purpose. Thirdly, I've looked at close to 30 sections of the various statutes that were amended by the Impugned Act. Whereas I have my prima facie views as to the validity vis-a-vis the Constitution, the wider interests of justice would determine that without hearing the respondents, a blanket order to suspend the law would be unfair. Fourthly, I heard Mr. Orengo to be saying that unless conservative orders are issued today, injustice will be visited upon innocent Kenyans. No particular case was cited in support of that submission, and I'm not satisfied that a case for grant of ex parte orders has been made out. I've also not been shown what prejudice the petitioners or any other specific person will suffer if no conservative orders are issued. In the event, and pending further orders to be made in due course, let the application dated 23rd December 2014 be served for hearing inter partes on 24th December 2014 at 11 a.m. My view is that, let me hear them. You've not lost the opportunity to get any ex parte orders, but let me have them here, and we'll manage it when they come in tomorrow at 11, okay?
We have just done here what all patriotic and law-abiding citizens do in times like these, which is to seek the intervention and interpretation of the courts on weighty issues of law which are facing us today in this country. 2, of course, we retain the right to resort to other means towards the same goals. 3, it is clear to us that this is going to be a busy Christmas and New Year season for all Kenyans who value our Constitution, who remember the price we paid to have it as our supreme law, and who want to defend it by every legal means. 4, those who conceived these new laws and rushed them through the National Assembly did so in the hope that Kenyans would be too busy enjoying the season to notice the evil being plotted by their leaders. But we love our country and our freedom more than the merrymaking. 5, we remain alert and we are prepared to forgo the fun and the merrymaking and make sacrifices for our country. 6, some people are testing our resolve. Somebody is testing our resilience. Jubilee is testing our willingness to return to the trenches and fight again for what we believe in and what we hold dear. 7, we have just one message. We are ready. Our courage and our resolve remain intact. 8, other than the case that we have filed here, we are beginning a program of educating Kenyans about their rights and defending the Constitution. 9, as everyone can now see, we must okoa Kenya. We must save our country. 10, people are afraid, very afraid of the new laws, and it is easy to understand the fear. This is how dictatorship and collapse all begin. 11, as we wait for the courts to guide us on the legality of the new laws, we will be educating Kenyans on what they mean to our freedom and our country's future. 12, Kenyans cannot agree to be taken back to the dark past, and so this is the time to pull together in one direction and reclaim our country. 13, be prepared. We are coming to a place near you over this holiday season to save our Constitution and our country. 14, we must not allow those plotting against our freedoms and rights to get away with this coup against the people and the Constitution. 15, this is one of those moments when silence is betrayal. Let us speak in one unison, in a clear and loud tone, that we have seen the promised land of Canaan from afar. We shall never return to Egypt. God bless Kenya.